Welcome dear students. Today we are going to discuss our chapter number 8, comparing quantities. Firstly, introduction we have. In our daily life, there are many occasions when we compare two quantities. Here are few examples. Suppose Hina, the height of Hina is 150 centimeter and that of the height of Amir is 75 centimeter. Now, if we compare these two, then what we find? Hina is 2 times taller than Amir. Or in other words, we can say Amir's height is 1 by 2 of heights Hina's height. Right? In the same way, if we take another example, what is the another example? When 20 marbles are divided between Rita and Amit, such that Rita has 12 marbles and Amit has 8 marbles. They are two friends and they are dividing between each other the 20 marbles. How they made the distribution? Let us see. Total 20 marbles, right? They are divided this way. 12 marbles goes to who got? Rita, and 8 marbles go to Amit. This was the distribution. Now we have to compare who got how many, comparing these two. In case of Rita, what we do? We write 12 divide 8. But in case of Amit, we write 8 divide 12. In both fractions, we divide by 4, numerator and denominator. Answer is 3 by 2. Here also we divide by 4, numerator and denominator. Answer is 2 by 3. So what we say? Rita has 3 by 2 marble, that of Amit. Similarly, Amit has 2 by 3 marbles that Rita has. Okay? So this way we can say Rita has 3 by 2 times the marble that Amit has, or we can say Amit has 2 by 3 part of what Rita has. Similarly, we have one another example. Suppose one cheetah whose speed is 120 km per hour, man whose speed is 20 km per hour. Now we compare the speeds of both these two. What we can say? We can write this in fraction. Speed of cheetah, which is equal to 120 km per hour. Similarly, speed of man is 20 km per hour. Now what we do? We can divide them. If we divide by 20, the numerator as well as denominator is divided by 20. Then what happens? This is 6 divide 1. So what we write? Speed of cheetah is equal to 6 times the speed of man. This is one way of writing. Second way, how we can write speed of man is equal to 1 by 6 reciprocal of 6. 1 by 6 that of times the speed of cheetah. right? This way we are comparing the two quantities. We are comparing the two quantities. Now we shall discuss the questions of exercise 8.1. The very first question is, find the ratio of rupees 5 to 50 paise. So this way we have the question, rupees 5 to 20 paise. Ratio mean we write this way, rupees 5 divide 50 paise. Now what we know, converting this rupees into paise, we have to multiply by 100. So this becomes 500 paise divide 50 paise, right? So then we have 0 is cancelled, 5 ones are 5, 10 divide 1. So required ratio is equal to 10 ratio 1. The answer of part number A. Second part, B part, find the ratio of 15 kg to 210 gram. So first of all we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So we have to multiply kg by 1000. So this becomes 15 into 1000 divide 210. Okay, now 0 is cancelled, then 1500 divide 21. Again dividing both side, numerator and denominator, by 3. What we have, 3 5s are 15, 500, 3 7s are 21, right? So required ratio is equal to 500 ratio 7 is the answer. C part is, find the ratio of 9 meter to 27 centimeter. 1 meter measurement is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, so this becomes 9 is to be multiplied by 100 divide 27. Moreover, we can divide numerator and denominator by 9. So this becomes 900 divide 27, dividing by 9, dividing by 9. Answer we have 100 divide 3. So ratio is 100 ratio 3 is the required ratio. D part, find the ratio of 30 days to 36 hours. So firstly, one day has 24 hours. This is known to us. What is known to us? One day is equal to 24 hours. So we have to multiply this 30 days by 24, divide 36. Now both are in hours. Okay, in next step what we should do, we multiply this 720 divide 36. Okay, if we divide numerator by 36, denominator is also divided by 36, then what we have, 36 into 2, 72, 20 divide 1. So required ratio is equal to 20 ratio 1. Now coming to question number 2. In a computer lab, there are 3 computers for every 6 students. How many computers will be needed for 24 students? Now what is the question? In a computer lab, there are 3 computers for every 6 students. So we make one table like this. Okay, here we write 3 computers. Computers and here students. Right? Now boxes. If we have 3 computers, then we have 6 students. Now next, this is given to us. For 24 students, how many computers are required? 6 becomes 24. What we did? We multiplied by 4. Only then 6 into 4 is equal to 24. So here also we have to multiply by same number 4. So answer will be 3 into 4 equal to 12. So this way what we can say, for 24 students we need 12 computers. Our next question is question number 3. Population of Rajasthan is 570 lakh and population of UP is 1660 lakhs. Area of Rajasthan is 3 lakh kilometer per square. Area of UP is 2 lakh kilometer per square. What is the question? Part 1. How many people are there per kilometer square in both these states? Second part. Which state is less populated? Again, population of Rajasthan is 570. Rajasthan population is 570 lakhs and population of UP is 1660 lakh. Similarly, area of Rajasthan is 3 lakh kilometer per square and area of UP is 2 lakh in lakh kilometer per square and population is in lakh. Right? Now what is the first part of the question? First part is how many people are there per kilometer in both these states. So first part is how many people are there per kilometer in both these states. First of all, we discuss about Rajasthan. We divide total population by area in lakh per kilometer square. So answer is 3 ones are 3, 2 is left, 2 27, 3 nines are 27, 0, 190 lakh people per kilometer. So what about UP? In case of UP, we divide 1660 divide 2. Answer is 830 lakh people per kilometer. Second part is of the question is which state is less populated. From this calculation in first part, we see that Rajasthan has 190 people per kilometer, whereas in UP there are 830 people per 830 lakh people per kilometer. So Rajasthan is the answer. Which state is less populated? Rajasthan is less populated state. That's all. Thank you very much.